Hey BMW, tell me a joke.
What does a person with two right feet wear? Flip-flips.
Yeah. Tell me another joke.
Where would you like to go to?
Okay.